Do you watch YouTube videos? If you're watching this right now, then I'm 1000% sure that you do. But did you know that you could actually make money from watching YouTube videos? Watch YouTube videos and earn $1 every 30 seconds for absolutely free. This money-making strategy is super simple and available for pretty much everyone. You can do this from anywhere in the world, and you don't even need to have any specific knowledge, experience, or skills. All you're gonna need is your device and internet connection and the instructions within this video, because I'm gonna be laying everything out step by step so that you don't even have to worry about the hard work. We've done all the research for you. So all you have to do is pay close attention over the next few money-making minutes of this short video, and you'll be raking in the cash. Just before we dive into our method for today though, please be sure to show us some love and appreciation by hitting the thumbs up button down below and subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on, because trust me, you don't want to miss out whenever we upload amazing videos on how to make money online using the best possible methods. Also, please don't hesitate to let us know any thoughts or questions that you might have in the comment section below. We love hearing from all of you guys. Now, let's get down to business. First things first, you need to have a YouTube account. I'm sure a lot of you already do, but if you don't have one, I want you to head on over to youtube.com and sign up for a free account. To do so, click on Sign In right up here. Then select Create Account for myself. After that, fill out your first name, last name, your email address, and password, and then just click on Next. I'll show you how to use this platform later on to help you make loads of money and achieve maximum results. Plus, it's 100% free. Now, the next thing that you need to know is how you will cash out your earnings. Many people make the mistake of going straight ahead to any of these websites that pay them to finish various tasks and then actually start making money, but when it's time to actually withdraw their money, they absolutely have no idea how to do it. But there's no need to worry, because I've got you covered. The best thing about this method is that you can choose from different payment options such as PayPal, Litecoin, AirTM, Skrill, and the likes. But for me, I personally prefer PayPal. PayPal is one of the best ways to cash out your earnings because it's completely free. It's available all across the world, and you'll get paid easily and instantly. Now, before we continue, if you don't already have one, you need to head over to paypal.com and sign up for a free account. The sign-up process is very easy and can be done in less than 5 minutes. Now, let's go to picoworkers.com. picoworkers.com is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy-to-do affordable tasks. This is our money-making website. PicoWorkers helps you make money online in a lot of ways. You could be currently employed, looking for a side hustle, or you want to earn decent income from this website that simply pays you for watching videos. You can do it in your spare time, and you don't need any technical skills or experience, because all you have to do is just hit the play button, watch the video, and collect your earnings. Anyone can do it. So, if you go to picoworkers.com, click on Freelance and Earn. That will then take you to this page where you can see how much money people are making using this website each day. And even each hour. You can see here the latest completed tasks, including the workers' nicknames and their total earnings. As you can see, we have people from Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Vietnam, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Kenya, Philippines, and a whole lot more. They literally have people from all over the world, all from different countries. Now, with this website, people are making hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. They have people earning $100, $700, and they even have people earning over $2,000 here. This is just amazing. Now, you can also see here the latest requested withdrawals together with payment options chosen and the withdrawal amounts. So you can view all these proofs of payments right here on this website. These are the amounts that people have cashed out. As I said, they actually have different payment options. You might have noticed that this isn't something that will make you mega rich though, so don't expect to become an overnight millionaire, and don't expect it to replace your day job. This is just something that you can do on the side to boost your current income. Moving on, here in the Freelance and Earn section, I want you to click on Sign Up over here to create a free account and begin making some money. Once you've clicked, you'll land on this page where you need to fill out your real name and email address, create a password, enter your nickname, and then select your country. As you can see, this is the complete list of countries. They accept people from all over the world, so just select the country you're from. Next, select I'm a worker and then agree to their terms of service and privacy policy before clicking on the Sign Up button. And after you're done with the whole sign up process, you can now start making money online. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do just that. Once you've successfully created an account, you can now log in. This is what your brand new account will look like. You'll be seeing different jobs available here. Different jobs mean different amounts of earnings. On the right-hand side, you will see how much money you'll potentially be making. Now, I want you to change the category right up here to video marketing and click on Apply Now. What that will do is it will show you these different jobs. We've got thousands of jobs here to choose from, jobs which we can complete and get paid for. These will all be paying us to watch videos. Imagine all you need to do is just click on a YouTube video and watch it in the comfort of your own home. You can do this whenever and wherever you like, all while getting paid. So how does it work? Just click on any job available here. Since this is a brand new account, you'll need to submit a bit of information about yourself, such as your date of birth, your city, a security question, and the answer to that question. After that, we can now take a look at how much you'll be paid by simply watching the video. What is expected from workers? This is what you have to do. First, you need to go to youtube.com. Next, search for these keywords. You'll need to type it manually, don't copy it. Third, find a video with this thumbnail. Remember to not use any filters like new uploads or the likes because you won't get paid for that. Next is to watch the video for at least 9 minutes. Do not skip or else you won't get paid. The trick is to just mute the video and leave it playing in the background so you don't actually have to watch the entire thing. And by doing that, you'll basically be making money online passively. You also have to like the video. See, it's that simple. I repeat, you can just leave those videos playing in the background and it will still count. However, since there aren't going to be that many jobs which pay you to watch YouTube videos, if you want to get maximum results and earn more money on Pico workers, you can also complete other jobs or tasks. They're also really easy and even complete beginners can do it. This is a micro job site where people will pay you to engage with their content, such as liking their Facebook posts. And it literally only takes a single tap of the button. That's all you have to do and you will get paid for it. You can also get paid by clicking a link and heading over to a site. It doesn't get easier than that. Sure, the pay isn't that high, but considering the little amount of work involved, I think it's well worth it. If you want a side hustle online, then you could even invest the money you earn through Pico workers in something you believe will grow in value over time, like an online business. They also offer jobs such as signing up for different platforms where all you have to do is provide an email address, your first and last name, and then you'll be paid. There are thousands of different jobs that you can actually do. The best part is that you can complete as many as you like. You can happily sit for a few hours and finish hundreds of these jobs, and the money will pile up real quick. You've probably noticed that some of the people on this website are already making thousands of dollars, and that could be you next. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you've learned anything new, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so that you never miss out on the amazing money-making opportunities that we regularly upload on the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.